Dive into the art of sales prospecting with the complete guide to sales prospecting, your step-by-step journey to the President's Club. Imagine mastering the who, what, why, how, and when of sales prospecting with a visual framework designed for sales development reps, B2B sales reps, and seasoned professionals. This isn't just a guide, it's a strategic blueprint for transforming leads into devoted customers. Discover the seamless integration of Hubspot Marketing Hub's lead scoring system, making identifying promising leads a breeze. Whether you're struggling with sales quotas or choosing between outbound and inbound strategies, our guide, paired with HubSpot's tools, ensures a higher conversion rate and a 64% quota success rate. Here's a pro tip for inbound sellers. Offer something low risk, high reward. Take inspiration from a client in the training industry who multiplied their sales tenfold with a free course as a lead magnet. Ready to revolutionize your sales prospecting? Grab your free copy of the complete guide to sales prospecting today and join the community of sales professionals on the path to success. Visit our website, follow us on social media, and start closing more deals. Your future in sales success begins now.